Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shoal Azari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a really amazing card balancing trick. This trick is so amazing that it freaks out each and every person watching you do the card balancing. So without any further ado, hit the like button and let's start our today's tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is how the card trick looks like. First of all, you're going to ask your spectator to select a random playing card. For example, in this case, the 2 of hearts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 of hearts just like that, and I'm going to keep the 2 of hearts right over here, and I'm going to try to balance this 2 of hearts on my hand just like this. So as you can see right now, I just balanced the 2 of hearts and there's nothing on the 2 of hearts back, and there's nothing on my hands too, and all my hands are empty just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to show you all the cards, rest of the cards that were present in this deck, and all the cards were also different and none of the cards were actually gimmicked. Okay friends, so this is how you're going to do this card trick. First of all, you need a thumb tip just like this. That's a fake thumb which can have a stand like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to wear this thumb tip on your thumb, and then you're going to ask your spectator to say stop. As your spectator says stop, what you're going to do is you're going to take that card out and you're going to hold that card just like this, and you're going to put this deck in your pocket just like this. Then after that, what you're going to do is, as you show the card just like this on the final display, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the card just like this over here, and after that you're going to come over here with your other hand and you're going to just open this up just like that. Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to flatten up your hand just like this, and then you're going to place this card and the thumb tip together on the top of the flattened hand just like this, and your card is actually getting a support from the thumb tip which is actually standing, and it looks from the front that the card is standing. Then you can actually show like this a little bit, then like this a little bit, and that's the greatest illusion that the card is actually standing on its own. And this is how you create that balancing trick or that balancing illusion. So what you're going to do right now, after you have done the balancing display is, and after you have displayed, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to grab the thumb tip and the card together. Then you're going to wear the thumb tip on the other hand like this behind the card, and then you're going to display the card just like this. After that, you're going to go inside the pocket with your other hand to grab the deck of cards out. But in actual reality, what you're going to do is you're going to open the thumb tip inside your pocket and you're going to grab the deck of cards. So that's how you create the illusion of balancing a card, and you start clean and you end clean. So that's how you do this card trick. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card balancing trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shoal_Azari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!